for my body count shut off.
Aduh, please. Somebody
Yo, put
stuck
that
my
gun up. Put
face.
that gun up.
My God. What? It is.
We didn't do anything.
It is. It is. Stuck my
I was trying to see if y'all was all right. You was over there destructing property. I was trying to see if y'all was good.
police. Police, I need your help, bro. Someone.
Yeah, I was trying to see if y'all was all right.
Hey, I'm lagging out. I'll be right back.
Man, I ain't even got what you doing, bro? What you got me in cuffs for, bro? Come on. That's crazy.
I'm trying to.
I was trying to help y'all out. You got me in cuffs.
Yeah, but please, I need your fucking help.
All right, so next time y'all out in the street and somebody shoot y'all,
Oh,
don't ask me for help.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get your attention, bro. Someone stuck my car inside.
It's open.
Eh, I'm arrested for what? I'm arrested for what? I'm arrested for what? Oh, bro.
Hey,
Oh.
you was detained. You didn't say I was under arrest. Come on, bro. Let me out. What? I ain't doing nothing. I ain't even got no violation.
Somebody help! No, please. I need to do my task, bro. I need to do my mission.
Man, why y'all
My
got me?
mission. Okay.
Man, I just told you I ain't doing nothing, bro. I
Help me.
was just trying to see if y'all was
Gang
good.
change. Help me. The red team. What did I do? I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Please forgive me, bro. Police officer, forgive
Man,
me. Please
Ryan,
forgive
shut
me.
up. Ryan,
Forgive
Ryan, shut up.
me.
Shut up, bro.
No.
Ryan, shut up. Stop crying.
Who, me?
Yes, you. Shut up.
What for? I'm
Hey
going.
man,
I'm going to make my
so
revenge. Wait for it.
I know
I'm
there's a
going
lot
to
going on,
find you.
and it's getting to you,
It's all because
and
Bronx. Bronx. Why
you
did you
really
shoot
don't
me,
know who to
Bronx?
trust. But
Why did you
just know
shoot me,
I got
Bronx?
your back. I have Irvin's back. I
Oh,
have
dirty ass
Creek's
Bronx.
back.
Don't.
Everybody.
Hey, y'all people from the Bronx, dirty, bro.
It's Bronx shoot me. It's illegal. It's illegal. It's illegal to shoot
What
somebody.
you charging me with? What's that? A 3.4 what?
I am innocent. I punch him. I punch him for attention.
Nah, what's cool with me if you let me out these cuffs, man.
I'm sorry. How much? How much?
Man, let me talk to a supervisor, man. Bronx bully. Y'all, man, the Bronx is dirty. Don't nobody like the Bronx.
No!
Oh,
I'm going to fight. No. I'm gay.
yeah, I need a supervisor. I want to talk to a supervisor.
Whoa.
It's some bullshit right here.
I hate you guys. I hate you.
See, Trey not even doing his job, man. He AFK right now. He not even doing his
I
job. Let me up off
I
your
hate
chest,
ice.
bro.
Please talk to his eyes. Your
Talk to me.
eyes.
Up, man. You in the right shit. Shut up.
That's too far.
Don't nobody want to hear you. I'm telling you, bro. Your people not doing their jobs. They're not doing their job.
Like
Red
I said,
shirt,
you get
shut up, red shirt.
So we're running into the jail cell.
My name is Nobel.
Hey, Daniel, watch out real quick, buddy. We inside the PD right now, bro. Locked
Yeah,
up.
God, let me out, you bitch ass nigga. Who you talking to?
How you know my name? How you know?